So here in hyperbolic functions, most important short answer questions, 4 marks questions. Okay. So first question, prove that sine h of x minus y is equals to sine hx cos hy minus cos hx sine hy. Okay. So in this we are going to use the formula. Okay, that is sine hx formula. Sine hx formula is e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2. This is sine hx formula, and we also use cos hx formula. Cos hx formula is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. Okay, these two are the formula we are going to use in this problem. Okay, so now I am taking the RHS in this question. Now I am taking the RHS. So RHS is equals to sine hx into cos hy minus cos hx into sine hy. Okay, what is sine hx value? Write the formula e power x minus e power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2 into cos hx, cos hy is there. Okay, so write y in place of x, e power y plus e to the power minus y divided by 2 minus cos hx here. Okay, so cos hx means e to the power y, e to the power x, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2 and sin hy. Okay, so e to the power y minus or plus minus. Okay, for sine formula we get minus in the middle, e to the power minus y divided by 2. Okay, so now take the LCM. LCM is 4. Take the LCM. So LCM is 4. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay, so that means if we take the LCM, I am taking the LCM. Okay, so LCM is 4. LCM is 4. Now multiply the numerator and denominator. E power x into e power y, that is e power x into e power y, e power x into minus e power plus e power x into e power minus y. Next multiply with e power minus x. Okay, how I am multiplying? I am multiplying, okay, like this. My e power x into this, e power x into this, again e power minus x into y, e power minus x into e power minus y. Okay, after that again in this is also e power x into e power y, e power x into minus e power y, e power minus x into e power y, e power minus x into e power minus y. So like
Sir,
that I am.
can,
Yes, yes.
sir, we can add the powers, sir.
Okay, afterwards
The
we'll
bases are equal, sir. The
yes,
bases are
yes.
equal.
After multiplying, we add in the next step. Okay, we add the powers in the next step. Okay, e power minus x into e power minus x into e to the power y. Okay, so next minus e to the power minus x into e to the power minus y. Okay, minus of. Okay, e power x into e power y, e power x into e to the power y. Okay, so e power x into minus e power x into e to the power y. Okay, plus e to the power minus x into e to the power y, and minus plus into minus e to the power minus x into e to the power minus y, e to the power minus y. Okay, so now here, if you want to remove the brackets, if you want to remove the brackets, you multiply by minus. Okay, so if you multiply by minus inside, okay, all the signs changes. Okay, so means the first term is positive, so we get negative. Second term is negative, we get positive. Third term is positive, so we get negative. This becomes negative. And for next term is negative, so we get positive. Negative, we get positive. So now no need of the bracket. No need of the bracket. Okay, I multiplied and multiplied by minus also. Okay, so now any terms are similar. So here e power x, e power y, minus e power x minus minus e power x into e power y, we can cancel. Any more terms can we cancel like that? E power minus x into y. Yes, no. Okay, e power minus. This term also we can cancel. Minus and this is positive. We can cancel. Okay, any more? No. Now we are applying here. Okay, the formula, whatever we have, e power x into e power minus y, and one more term we have e power x into e power minus y. 2 into. Okay, we can take it as 2 into. Okay, so that means this is equals to 2 into e power x into e power minus y. Okay, after that, what we have the other term minus e power minus x into e power y minus e power minus x into e power y. We have two terms here. We have two terms. Okay, so I am taking here minus 2 into e power minus x into e power y and whole divided by 4 as t. Okay, take 2 common. Okay, so and now we can add. Okay, so powers are bases are equal, so we can add the powers. So e to the power x and minus y is there, so minus y. Okay, minus e to the power minus x and plus y. Add the power. Okay, so whole divided by 4. What formula we used here? What is the formula, ma? So the formula is a to the power m into
A to the
a
power
to
of
the power
m
n
into
is
a to the
equals
power
to
of n is equal to a to the power of mn. Oh,
m
sorry,
plus n. M plus
m plus
n.
n.
Yes, yes. Okay, so now here 2 into e to the power of x minus y minus e to the power. I am taking minus common in this numerator, ma. Okay, in the numerator power. Okay, minus x becomes plus x and plus y becomes minus y. Okay, and whole divided by 4 as this. Now take 2 table and cancel 2 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay, so now it is in the form of okay. So what form we have? Check once. Okay, e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2 form it is, right? Okay, observe carefully. Okay, e to the power x minus y minus e to the power minus of x minus y. Okay, whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Okay, so here, if you observe this carefully, okay, it is in this form, right? Is it in this form or not? Okay, so we can write sine h of x minus y, but in place of x, sine h of x minus y. In place of x or theta, we have x minus y, which is equals to LHS. Okay, we took the RHS and we got the LHS. From RHS, we are proving the LHS. Understood? Understood, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now,
Yes, sir. Understood. Sir.
yes, if we take the next question, this is a board model paper question. Okay, so prove that. Okay, so I am taking the RH. Prove that cos hx divided by 1 minus tan hx plus sin and hx divided by 1 minus cos hx is equals to sin hx plus cos hx for x is not equal to 0. Okay, this is board model paper question for 2021. Okay, I am taking the LHS here. LHS is equals to cos hx divided by 1 minus tan hx plus sin hx divided by 1 minus cot hx. Okay, what is tan? What is tan? So tan is nothing but cos by sin by cos. Okay, 1 minus tan. Tan is nothing but sin by cos. Sin hx divided by cos hx plus this sin hx as is I am writing. Okay, 1 minus cot is cos by sin, that is cos hx divided by sin hx. Okay, after that take LCM. After that take LCM in that. Okay, so here the numerator term is as is. Okay, whole divided by, and again in the denominator we are taking LCM. Cos hx is LCM. Cos hx into 1 cos hx minus sin hx. Okay, plus in this numerator is as it is. Okay, whole divided by. So take the LCM. LCM is sin hx. LCM is sin hx. Sin hx into 1, that is sin hx minus cos hx minus cos hx. Now, okay, so take this term completely to numerator. Okay, again in the fraction we have one more fraction. Okay, if we take to numerator, we get it reverse, reciprocal. We get the reciprocal. So that means we get cos hx into Okay, so cos hx divided by cos hx divided by cos hx minus sin hx. Cos hx minus sin hx. Okay, after that plus this sin hx. Okay, again this fraction we are taking to numerator. Okay, so then sin hx divided by sin hx minus cos hx. Okay, so the sin hx is as it is, sin hx into, okay, so one more sin hx divided by, okay, sin hx minus cos hx, reverse. Okay, so now in this cos hx into cos hx, that is cos h square x divided by cos hx minus sin hx. Okay, plus sin hx into sin hx is sin h square x whole divided by. When we observe the denominators, okay, this here cos is positive, sin negative. Here sin is positive, cos negative. Make them equal. So taking minus common. If you take minus common, okay, so then cos becomes positive. That means cos hx minus sin hx minus sin hx. This minus sign I will write in the numerator. Afterwards, we write it in the numerator. We can write either in the numerator or denominator. So taking LCM. What is LCM? So LCM is cos hx plus sin, cos hx minus sin hx. Cos hx minus sin hx is LCM. So here we get the numerator cos h square x, and this minus we are writing in the numerator. Okay, minus sin h square x. Okay, so now this is equals to, okay, so in this the numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square formula? Ma? A plus b into a minus b. So that is cos hx plus sin hx, a plus b into a minus b.
A minus B.
So cos hx minus sin hx whole divided by cos hx minus sin hx, right? So here the two
Yes,
terms
sir.
cos hx minus sin 2x are same. We can cancel these two terms. We can cancel these two terms. Okay. If we cancel these two terms, then what we get? The remaining is, okay. So the remaining is cos hx plus sin hx. Cos hx plus sin hx. Okay. So here what we have to prove? Cos hx plus sin hx. Sin hx plus cos hx. Both are same only. Okay. So sin here is asking sin hx plus cos hx. Cos hx. Both are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Here what formula we use ma in this? Okay. So here we use
A
a
plus
square minus
A
b
square
square
minus
is
B
equals
square.
to, yes. Tell
A
me.
plus B, A minus B.
Yes. A plus b into a minus b. We
A
use
minus
that
B.
formula. Okay. So here, is it the required answer or not? We took the LHS. We took the
Yes, sir.
LHS and we got the RHS. Okay. Therefore, LHS we took and this is equal to RHS. Okay. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Hence proof. Hence proof. Okay. So this is only the required solution. Understood? Okay. So now we are going to next question. We are going to next question, that is u is equals to, let I am here given, what is given ma? So u is equals to log of tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay, always we know that okay, so what we know, for all the logarithm function base is e, base is e. Okay, how do we convert the logarithm to exponential, exponential to logarithm? Base, this base becomes base here. Okay, so means we get this. Okay, so as e to the power, we write this as e to the power u is equals to, e to the power u is equals to tan of tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Pi by 4 plus theta by 2. This is how we got this step. This is logarithm concept only. This is logarithm concept. For example, okay, so if we have a question, a to the power m is equals to some x is the, okay, so x is the exponential form. Okay, we write in the logarithm this as log x. And what is base here? Base is a, so we write the base as usually is equals to the power becomes the answer. Okay, so we are converting the logarithm terms to normal exponential terms. Okay, exponents. Now, how we are converting this? Base is always base only, either in the logarithm or in the normal exponent form. Okay, so now e power u is equals to tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay, so now what is e power minus u? E to the power minus u. That means 1 by e to the power plus u. 1 by e to the power plus u. That means 1 by tan. 1 by tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. What is 1 by tan? 1 by tan is nothing but cot. So I am writing this as cot pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Cot pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay, just now we discussed the cos hx formula. Cos hx formula. Okay, so what is cos hx formula? So cos hx formula, this is the cos hx, right? Okay, e power x, okay, plus e power minus x divided by 2. Okay, so now what he is asking, in this question, he is asking cos hu. Cos hu. Okay, now I am taking the LHS. Now I am taking the LHS. LHS is equals to cos hu. Cos hu. So cos hu means, what is the formula? Okay, so e power u plus e to the power minus u divided by 2. Divided by 2. Already we have the values. Cos e power u value. Okay, that is tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 plus cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay, whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. With this whole divided by 2, we can write it as 1 by 2 also. We can write it as 1 by 2 also. Okay, so now I am writing this as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into. Okay, so what we can write, this tan 45 plus theta, we have the formula tan 45 plus theta. What is the formula, ma? Tan 45 plus theta, remember, 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. But in place of theta, we have theta by 2. Okay, so write the theta by 2 here and theta by 2 here. Okay, so and after that, what we have? Cot. After that, we have cot. So cot of theta, cot, what is cot formula? Cot is nothing but 1 by tan only. Cot is nothing but, okay, so 1 by tan. Where we written cot? Here we written. Okay, so 1 by tan only we written as cot. 1 by tan means 1 by tan 45 plus theta formula. 1 by formula means we get the reciprocal. We get the reciprocal. Okay, so here I am writing the reverse, means 1 minus tan theta by 2. 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. 1 plus tan theta by 2. Here what formula we use here? Okay, so tan of pi by 4 45 plus theta. Tan 45 plus theta is 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta. We also use the another formula, that is cot 45 plus theta. Cot 45 plus theta. Cot 45 is plus theta. 1 by cot is 1 by tan. 1 by tan pi by 4 plus theta. 1 by tan means we get reverse, reciprocal. Okay, so that we get 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. Okay, so now this is equals to 1 by 2 into, take the LCM. LCM is 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta is LCM, right? 1 minus tan theta by 2 into 1 plus tan theta by 2. Okay, so 1 plus tan theta by 2. Now multiply here. 1 plus tan theta by 2, 1 plus tan theta by 2. That is 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square and plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 into 1 minus tan theta by 2. 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square. Okay. So here we can use the two formula again. Okay. So what formula we can use? A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Okay. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab plus 2ab cancel. We get 2 into a square plus b square. 2 into a square plus b square. Otherwise, we can, okay, so expand and cancel. And a minus b into a plus b formula also. A minus b into a plus b formula, we are writing in the denominator. Okay, that is a square minus b square. Okay, so if we apply this formula, then we get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into, so 2 into a square means 1 square, and b square means tan square theta by 2, tan square theta by 2 whole divided by a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 1 minus 1 square minus tan square theta by 2. Okay, so now here this 2 and 2 we can cancel. This 2 and 2 we can cancel. If we cancel this 2 and 2, then 1 plus tan square theta by 2, 1 minus tan square theta by 2. 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay, so here tan we can write as sine by cos. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta by 2, that is sine square theta by 2 whole divided by cos square theta by 2. I am writing 1 minus tan square, I am writing 1 minus sine square theta by 2 whole divided by, okay, cos square theta by 2. Okay, now take an LCM. If you take LCM, that is cos square theta by 2, and here in the numerator cos square theta by 2 plus sine square theta by 2. Okay, so whole divided by, here also taking LCM, cos square theta by 2 is LCM, cos square theta by 2, 1 is cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. Here we can cancel. What we can cancel? Cos square theta by 2, cos square theta by 2, we can cancel. If we cancel that, what is remaining here? Cos square theta by 2 plus sine square theta by 2. This is a identity. This is the identity. We get the 1 in here. And cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. This is cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 into theta by 2 we can write. Or otherwise direct cos theta also we can write. Okay, what formula we used here? Okay, so here we used sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And one more formula, cos 2 theta is equals to 2, cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay, we used this formula here. Okay, if we cancel this 2 and 2, then 1 by cos. What is 1 by cos, ma? 1 by
1 by cos is sine.
what? 1 by cos is secant. 1 by cos
Secant.
theta is secant theta. Oh, sorry.
Secant.
1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta, and 1 by cos is
Oh
nothing but
yeah, secant.
that
Yeah.
is secant theta.
See.
Secant theta. 1 by sine is cosecant, 1 by cos is secant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Secant.
What we have to prove? We have to prove that it is equals to cos secant theta only. We have to prove that it is equals to secant theta. Okay, so what is the final answer? Secant theta, which is equals to RHS. Okay, therefore LHS equals to RHS. We took the LHS and got the RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So do you have any doubts here in this? Okay, till now what formula we used? Briefly once again I'll explain. Just the formula I am explaining. Okay, so in the 4 mark questions. Okay, these are the 4 mark questions. So just read with me. Direct read with me. Okay, sine hx is equals to e
Sine
power
hx is equal to ex minus
e power
e to the
minus
power
x,
of x is minus e to the power of
minus x.
minus x by 2.
Cos hx is equals to e power
e
x
to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x
divided by 2. Okay,
by
this is
2.
the formula. Yes, and other than that, what here basic formula. Okay, a power m
E to
into
the power of 1 to
is
2.
equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so and what formula we used in this? Okay, so in this we use a square minus b square formula. Okay, so what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b.
A
In this
minus
what
b.
formula we used? Okay, logarithm to normal exponent form. Okay, so how we convert? A power m is equal to 6. For example, if we have like this, okay, so here the answer becomes the question here, and base is always base only. Okay, so power becomes answer here. Okay, so this is a normal conversion formula. Conversion formula. Okay, now after that, what we used e power. Okay, so here tan 45 plus theta, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay, next cos 45 plus theta means it is 1 by tan. 1 by tan means we get reciprocal. So 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. And after that, here a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Either you can, okay, so either you can write the normal formula and write otherwise, okay, so you can use this formula a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab plus 2ab cancel. Okay, so a square plus a square 2a square, b square plus b square 2b square, so 2 into a square plus b square. And one more is, okay, so, and what is another formula we used here? What is another formula? A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square is another formula. Okay.
Yes.
So, yes. Now, okay. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to one formula, and cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta, or cos theta, only cos theta direct cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, half angle formula. Half angle